Hello everyone. So this is the summary of the poem Life in a Love by Robert Browning. So these are the important points. This poem was published in 1855 in the collection of poems Man and Women that was dedicated to the poet's wife Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Here the speaker talks about his unfulfilled love. In this poem, the speaker expresses his helplessness to forget his beloved who has rejected him. The speaker says that he will continue to pursue his beloved even if his love remains unfulfilled. Escape me, never beloved, while I am I and you are you, so long as the world contains us both, me the loving and you the loth. While the one eludes, must the other pursue. My life is a fault at last, I fear. It seems too much like a fate indeed. So, when the poem opens, we see that the speaker is addressing a woman whom he really loves, but she is reluctant and indifferent towards his feelings. He further says that this lady cannot avoid him or ignore him. He says that he cannot stop pursuing her as long as they are alive and as long as they are living in this world. He says that he really loves her a lot, but she doesn't respond to his passionate love and his feelings, and he says that he will continue to go after her even if she decides to leave him or run away from him. Next, he says that his life is a failure if he stops going after his lady love, and he expresses his helplessness by saying that he is destined to be like this. Though I do my best, I shall scarce succeed, but what if I fail of my purpose here? It is but to keep the nerves at strain, to dry one's eyes and laugh at a fall, and baffled get up and begin again, so the chase takes up one's life, that's all. Next, the speaker says that he is trying his best to convince his beloved to love him back, but it looks difficult as she is not willing at all. He says that it doesn't matter to him even if he fails to win her love, but he will keep trying, he will keep making efforts. He further says that he will wipe away his tears and will dismiss his suffering by just laughing. He will just ignore his suffering and he will continue to go after her. He knows that he is going to be frustrated and confused, but still he won't lose hope and will stand up again to continue the chase again. So he is ready to sacrifice his entire life in her pursuit. Why look but once from your farthest bound at me so deep in the dust and dark? No sooner the old hope goes to ground than a new one, straight to the self same mark. I shape me, ever removed. So, in these lines, the speaker says that he just hopes to get a look from his beloved from a distance or from the darkness. Even if his old hope subsides, a new hope will come up and will pursue the same goal again. So, this new hope of getting his love back will stay forever, even if they remain separated from each other throughout their lives. And here the poem ends. Please subscribe if you liked the video.